Just can't wait, can't look from far away, and hope someday everything's gonna work its way. You can't sit back and wish your luck. Feeling lost, kind of lost track while you were here. Can't seem to find the motivation to restart. Remember that it all adds up. Push until you get it right. You gotta try until you're tired of trying, and then you fight a little more, as if it doesn't work. At least you know that you gave it your best.
Well, the other one's running the Grey Walk, you know.
Yeah, what's the run the Grey Walk? So run all the hills in Scotland.
All about him and kids.
I'd start with little leapfrogs and see how people
Don't
are
get
going
too close.
first.
Gotta respect each other's space. I hope someday everyone gets to find their way. We can't let go. Give up or quit. Gotta push until you get it right. You gotta try
live down here at the men's muster in Te Anau. What a great day we've had. We got up this morning, we came down to here to the event centre, then we did a few things, went out into the bush, jumped in a jet boat, had a fantastic day up the river, and then we came back and then the fun really began. So I think we did about 19 k's between running, biking, crawling, whatever we could do. Fantastic day, finish off with a beer. Couldn't get better than that. Here's to you, Te Anau. Turn it on.